It's been very good indeed. It's been cohesive, it's been friendly, it's been expert, and we've loved the fact that the whole process has gone on under one roof, so we haven't had to negotiate poor connections between any part of the process, so we're very, very happy.
We've been doing this through COVID, and so it's been an extra pressure on everyone, and we've not missed a beat. We've had letters and photographs every week. We've known what's been going on and we haven't missed any time, so it's been terrific.
It's really well conceived for Melbourne's grey and changeable climate, so it's very light. And it's panoramic, its views are panoramic, so that we feel we fit, but also we have this great all-round view, and of course the city skyline, which we really wanted to have.
It really achieved what we set out to do, and we've managed to turn the house upside down, so we now have this wonderful city view, and the point that Rick made is so true. The light is incredible, so the design is brilliant. Yeah, the process was interesting because we started with a full day of conversations about who we were and how we lived, but it morphed very quickly into getting 3D visualizations. To us, that was super important. The VR, virtual reality, where we could walk around, made a big difference, and the interior design elements of actually understanding how you would move in a space made a massive difference from seeing something on a plan.
Well, I'd describe the service as highly personalised, sensitive to the personal needs and wishes of the client, and expert in translating needs and wishes into the reality of the build.
Creative and practical, those two things are really important. And I think the other thing that's very important is having all the services in the one offer, so you're not having to deal with multiple views. In particular, architecture and construction really made a difference to us, and I thoroughly recommend people think of it that way.